Good evening, my friends. How are you all? I hope you all are well. Yes, welcome to my channel Food Like Treasure Trove. Yes, I'm telling with you something messy. Actually, I love eating noodles a lot. And my brother, younger brother also loves eating noodles a lot. Even when there are no companion vegetables at home to make noodles, I can still cook noodles with just fried potatoes and eat them. And that too with great pleasure. This video is from that day. See how you like it? The surroundings are homely and my clothes are very homely. So please look at it with a little forgiveness or please ignore it. Thank you. Loves. And also thank you for watching my videos till to end. Thank you so much. My loves for all friends and those of you who are new friends, please subscribe to my channel and stay by my side.